Okay, so earlier we've been talking about atoms, elements, and all that stuff. And I've been telling you atoms are really small. They're so small you can't see. But let's talk about how tiny we're talking about. How small do you think an atom is? Yeah. You know, I'm hoping you've seen a spider web. You know, have you seen how thin the spider strands are? You know, a single thread of spider silk is really about, so the spider silk thread that you guys see is really about 0.0001 centimeters thick. That is really thin. Okay, so thin you can barely see it with your naked eye. It's thinner than hair. If the light hits it right, you can barely see it, but on most cases you really don't. Now let's talk about an atom. You know, a carbon atom, very popular one we have, just one carbon atom is about 0.00000015 centimeters in diameter. You know how many carbon atoms you need to span the width across one thread of the spider silk? You need about 7,000. I changed the order, by the way. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. So you need about 7,000 carbon atoms. Together, you line them up. Their width is that of one spider silk thread. That's it. 7,000. Just to cross one nearly invisible spider web thread. Okay, let me give you another way to picture this. Now, imagine we could make a carbon atom bigger. Let's blow up to a sign of a coin. Let's say this is how we blow it up to. So in the relative scale of the atom and the spider web, if I blow up my carbon atom to be this big, imagine how big the spider web would be. It would be bigger than the whole football field that you see on TV outside. Really big. Just because I have converted the carbon atom into the size of this. So the relative scale is that much. Okay. And the spider web is something that you barely see. If that is as big as a football field, only then can you see an atom as big as a coin. Now, that's interesting. It's very, very, very small. And not just the fact that they're small, so they're small and light, very light. How light? Give you an idea. I take a billion atoms, right? I take a billion carbon atoms. You know how much they are? They are this many. If I take these many atoms, you know how much their mass will be? How much they'll weigh? They'll weigh, actually, they'll weigh like 0.000004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 grams. That's it. Now if I take a 3 trillion atoms, I'll get 0.000001. Damn. A billion is this small. Look at the mass. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So basically trillions upon trillions upon trillions of atoms just make up the tiniest amount of mass we can even measure. You can't even measure this every day. You get a gram or two, you think that's light. That's got trillions over trillions over trillions over trillions over trillions of atoms. That's how small an atom is. So basically everything you see is made up of these impossibly small, unimaginably small particles. A desk, trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions of atoms. The air you breathe, similar, trillions upon trillions upon trillion molecules. Your body, by the way, has, you know how many atoms? This is interesting. So an average human body has 7 with 27 zeros amount of atoms. You might not know the standard form, so it's like saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. This is how many atoms there are in your body. That's a lot. That's a lot. Right? So basically, this is our world. This tiny, tiny, tiny world of atoms is our world. Now, because it's so small, we really don't see them at the atomic level. We see them at the grander scheme of things, which is really these large billion, like this. Imagine if I had this many atoms is only when I can make a human body. So we're looking at large amounts of atoms to really make it count. But individually, atoms, really small. Okay? And that's what I want you to understand. And that's the fun bit of it. That's why you can't see it. It's extremely small. Yeah. So, now, run this. Next, we'll dive deeper into the structure of atoms. And that's our building blocks of life. They're beautiful, but they're extremely small. Remember that.